listen, I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care.
Come on people, it's your girl Nishoy and I'm back with another freaking video. So as you can see by the title down below, in today's video I'm installing one of my wigs and of course doing a makeup look. So if you'd like to see the rest of the video, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell because it keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video. And of course follow me on all my social medias. It will be in the description box, also on the screen. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Alright people, so as you can see, I went in before and I braid my hair backward and I slicked down a little part in my hair front because the wig is a closure wig. And I don't know, for some reason I had this wig, this list, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna cut it in 3 to make 3 different wigs. And this wig is made from expression braiding here and the lace frontal closure. So this is only to keep my hair back. When I put the wig on, I'll make the parting, I'll do whatever I need to do. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull the wig on my head. Alright, let's go ahead and put this back. Make sure the stocking is still on. Pull this back to the center to wherever you want it to be. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is loose out the hair because I had cut it up before because you know it's braiding hair. You can't really flat iron it or curl it how you want it to be curled. So what I did was put some plait in it to give it a little wave. But I'm gonna take it out because I want to fix like the front part and then I'm gonna plait it back, of course, to do my makeup. Alright people, so as you can see I have the wig on my head. I loose out the hair and what I'm gonna do now is try to make some baby hair. I was thinking about using like the lace to make the baby hair, however as I said before the wig had like a bald spot right here. I went ahead and I filled it in with some hair that some braiding hair that I had. So it's now looking better, but I'm not gonna use that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show some of you guys who don't know to make like baby hair with the wig itself or the lace itself. What you can do is, especially if it's a closure, what you can do is pull the wig back, a little back, right? You can pull out some hair from underneath the wig, right in the front right here, around the perimeter. Gonna do now is grab your Deming brush and you're going to push back the hair. You grab the clip and you clip away the excess hair from out of your way. Alright. Alright, so now I'm gonna grab my Eco Styler gel. My hair front still wanted to cream a little bit, but I'm just gonna use this. I'm not gonna use probably I use the wax instead. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make my baby hair right now. Alright, so I went in and I made a little baby hair right here in the front, just like I was doing it before, but I couldn't get it the way I wanted on camera. Alright, so now that that part is done, so what I'm gonna do now is part this straight. Remember I said that the cap that I have on underneath is not for the scalp. So what I'm gonna do now is part this properly, and I'm gonna use a little concealer to make the parting much more sharper, or much sharper. I grab this LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just gonna use it to make like a line from here. It's a bit bright, but don't worry, I'm gonna blend it out. Right, so what I'm gonna do now is use my brush and blend it out. Alright, so people see me blend out like a lot of the concealer from right in the parting. So what I'm gonna do now is glue the frontal down, or the closure down, or whatever it is. But my thing is that I'm gonna use my spray, my got to be glue spray, to just spray right down here, and then I'm gonna tie it, flat it back, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. Right? And I'm gonna grab the spray. Guys, can you believe I have this spray like for 2 years? Almost 2 years. More than 2 years, because I had it before COVID hit. About 2019 thereabout. So I'm gonna just spray these places, and then I'm gonna just tie the wig down. Alright? Just like so, we're gonna stick the wig on where you spray. Alright, so I have like this headband thingy that I'm gonna use, but don't feel like you can tie down, but I'm gonna use it anyways. Just so I'm gonna go ahead and plait this back and come right back to do my makeup. So my hair is finished, so I'm just allowing it to sit a little bit and flatten out some more. I'm gonna jump straight into the makeup part of this video, right? You can go ahead and watch me. I'm not gonna do any talking and I'm not gonna do any explaining, but go ahead and watch this part in. like final, almost final look. What I'm gonna do now is take this off. I might have to go in and fix back my edges and those stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and loose the hair out now. Alright people, so I went ahead and I loosed out the wig. Right about now I'm just gonna finish up like reset like my edges. But look at me, sis. I'm gonna use this got to be glue happy hour thingy to hold like the frizz. Alright, so I'm seeing a little white in the front of the hair. So what you can do is grab any aisle. So this is a tea tree aisle. What I'm gonna do now is just put a little bit on my finger and just wipe it on. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and of course don't forget to subscribe and drop a like on this video. Share the video also peeps so that more people can see my videos. And yeah, thanks for watching.